What's up, guys? Today at Bulk Rack Club, you're gonna learn how to switch out your windshield wipers. Yeah. Alright, so as you can tell with these windshield wipers, your first thing that you want to look at is some kind of problem. So obviously, Jesus decided to play the guitar with these. And as you can tell, that this end piece basically is completely like coming off. So regardless, these needed to get replaced. So when it comes to your car, you have two different size wiper blades. The front one, the one that's on the driver's side, is going to be bigger than the passenger one because the driver is more important than the passenger, so it makes more sense to have a better vision for the driver's side. We found a website called tricoproducts.com that actually, you just type in your year, make, and model, and it'll tell you exactly what size both of the windshield wipers are. Typically, like I just said, the driver's side one's going to be bigger than the passenger one, and all you got to do is find the ones that you want and buy it. Okay, so what we personally recommend is Rain-X or Bosch. We went with Bosch here, and we went with their highest level, and this is just that auto zone. What we're running is a 24 on the bigger side, and then a 21 on the smaller side, so we're going to show you guys how to replace that. Okay, so what you're going to want to use next is the Jesus tool, and you're going to want to actually pop this up. Typically over time this gets really hard to pop up, so you can just get this in there and pull it out like that. Okay, so after lifting up this little tab, you're going to want to pull it down until you hear that little click and this starts pulling out, and then you want to take it up and it's off. With the Bosch Envisions, what we have to do is put this plastic piece, unhook it, because you obviously see these 2 lines, 3 lines, and then you have to press in, unhook it, push it all the way in. This part's a little bit tricky because you have to like kind of get your thumb in the awkward position, and it slides in there like that. So now it's hooked onto there, and all you got to do is close it, satisfying click, and that side is done. Yeah, so that's basically as simple as it gets. 10 out of 10, recommend Bosch and Rain-X. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope it helped you out with swapping your windshield wipers. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and welcome to the club.